Giving a gift is an art, an expression of thoughtfulness, appreciation, and above all, good taste. However, selecting the perfect gift is not always easy. An inappropriate choice can lead to awkwardness, while a well-chosen gift strengthens connections and leaves a lasting impression. Whether attending an elegant dinner, visiting a friend's home, celebrating a birthday, or marking a special occasion, certain etiquette principles ensure that your gift is always appropriate and well received. Today, we'll explore what to bring as a gift and how to present it with elegance and meaning. The essence of the perfect gift. The first rule of refined gift-giving is simple. A gift should be about the recipient, not the giver. This means paying attention to personal tastes, lifestyle, and even cultural context. If the host is a lover of fine cuisine, a high-quality bottle of wine, a premium olive oil, or an assortment of fine teas are sophisticated choices. However, always ensure the gift aligns with their preferences. Offering wine to someone who doesn't drink, for example, would be a social misstep. For those who value knowledge and personal growth, books are always an excellent choice. Titles on self-development, finance, art, or culture can be meaningful selections. To add a personal touch, a thoughtful handwritten note inside the book makes it even more special. When experiences matter more than objects. In many cases, experiences hold more value than material gifts. A ticket to a concert, a special class, a memorable trip, or even a subscription to a wine or book club can create lasting memories. If you're visiting someone's home, consider bringing something that enhances the experience. Flowers are always elegant but should be presented in a vase to avoid burdening the host with arranging them. Fine chocolates, artisanal cheeses, or a fragrant arrangement also make refined choices. The value of a personal touch. Never underestimate the power of a personalized gift. A beautifully crafted notebook for someone who loves to write. A unique piece of handcrafted decor, or a small item related to a personal hobby, shows attentiveness and consideration. And remember, a valuable gift is not necessarily an expensive one. True sophistication lies in careful selection and sincere intention. Extravagant gifts can sometimes feel excessive or inappropriate, especially when the relationship is not yet close enough for such a gesture. Etiquette in receiving and expressing gratitude. Etiquette applies not only to the giver, but also to the recipient. A gift should always be received with gratitude, regardless of its value or practicality. Expressing appreciation, whether through a warm smile, a heartfelt message, or a handwritten note, reflects class and good manners. If the gift is something that can be shared, such as a bottle of wine or a sweet treat, offering to enjoy it together during the occasion is a thoughtful and gracious gesture. Gifting is a silent form of communication. It conveys affection, appreciation, and consideration. And when chosen wisely, a gift becomes more than just an object. It carries a meaningful message. So next time you choose a gift, think beyond the material. Consider the experience, the sentiment, and the purpose behind the gesture. After all, true luxury is found in attention to detail. And you? What is the most memorable gift you've ever received? Share in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insights on etiquette, prosperity, and refined living. See you next time.